Hey guys, this is Chris with Half Chrome. I'm a grown man talking about toy drones. Is that weird? A little bit weird. Today we're going to talk about how we got this guy, the RiseTech/DJI Tello. It still says it's out of stock on DJI's website, so we got a link below where you could buy it, and we're going to talk about how we got ours in just a minute. We'll be right back. Okay guys, so here it is, the RiseTech Tello/DJI Tello. So why do you want this drone? Why is this kind of cool? Why did we get it? Well, simply put, it is the best camera you could put in the air for under $100, and we wanted to test that ourselves, and so far it's doing pretty well. But there are a couple reasons why you might want to get this, even if you have another drone, let's say something a little more professional, maybe the Mavic Pro Phantom drone, something like that from DJI. Why do you want one of these? Well, probably you don't need one. It's more of a great gift item, especially for someone a little bit younger. You can program these things using a language called Scratch, which is pretty cool. So the big news, where do you get this thing? It's Amazon. Initially when we got it, depending where you search, you type in Tello, wouldn't even show up. You had to type in Rise Tello. Now you just search for Tello, it will show up. Strangely, it did ship from China, so it's not like it's in Amazon's warehouses. It's shipping from China, but you still can't get it on DJI's website. A little bit odd, though we imagine it'll show up there soon if you prefer to buy from DJI for some reason. It was $99 on Amazon. So it took just 4 short days to ship here through Hong Kong and Tennessee and who knows where else. What is this guy? I mean, it just comes with 4 prop guards, which are a little tough to get off, by the way. Extra set of props, a prop puller, and a small set of limited instructions. So that's what we got in the mail just a couple days ago. So you may have seen our first video on the Tello. We made a 3D printed body based on the pictures and dimensions we could scare up online. As you can see here, I pretty much nailed it, dead nuts, pretty good. You can actually download this CAD file from our website, halfchrome.com. Go check that out. Remember also to support the site by buying your Tello using the link in the description below. So today we got outside, we tested the Tello, we tested it against some peers here, the DJI Spark and the Yuneec Breeze. The Yuneec Breeze, an interesting case. Originally the same price as the Spark, close to $500, has come way down. We'll have some links for you there too. It is interesting because it's looking like, based on what I've seen so far, it's probably the best camera now you can get under $200. Some different capabilities than the Tello has, but certainly a much larger drone than even the Spark here. The Spark, on the other hand, in the $300 to $400 range right now. Its price is coming down right now, hopefully because there's a Spark 2 coming, some other products from DJI we've been talking about. But we got these guys in the air, we tested them. Really surprised with this. The modes, got a bunch of modes. We've seen cheap toy drones before that have all these different modes. These actually work, we're really surprised. So we're gonna have a review video coming up. To make sure you don't miss that, be sure to subscribe and check it out. We're going to have a few more videos about the Tello and comparing it to these guys here as well. So we'll see you soon. Make sure you subscribe, give us a like, and we'll see you next time.